Hi everyone, it's Christy and this is my second challenge. This is blush. I want to do really quick videos in under 5 minutes and show you how to do some quick tips and tricks with makeup. So we are going to do blush today. I think people are confused about where blush goes. Is it contouring? No, is my bronzer just my blush? Well, I am a big believer in actual blush. I'm going to be using this from the Pro palette from Beautycounter. And here we have our blushes. It's Bloom Tulip, Flamingo Apricot, and the Tawny Whisper on the end. I would say these two are our most popular because they're more muted, although the Flamingo Apricot is really, really gorgeous. Blush is not bronzer. Bronzer gives you that warmth, that glow, and yeah, sometimes you can just use the bronzer and get a really beautiful look on your skin. I love the look of pinched cheeks, like you just ran out in the snow or just did your favorite exercise or dance class or just have that flush of like love in your cheeks. And this is what I've been taught and this is what I've used. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Bloom Tulip. I'm going to take that little bit of a darker shade right underneath the jaw, the cheekbone right in there. And I'm going to take it on the other side and you can see it just gives a little bit of a shape, right? You can take it up in the temples. The great thing about blush too is put it on your eyelids. It really opens up the eyelids, adds a pop of color without a full eyeshadow. So then I'm going to take the brighter color on the top and that goes in the apples of the cheek. Very simple. This is not very difficult. And you've got this wonderful glow that doesn't look like it's too much. And it just gives that pinch of color. Now, if you were to use this one, you could use that right in the apple of the cheek, and I'll show you how it's not as scary as it looks in the palette, and that just gives me more color. In the winter, I just need a lot more color. I love the look of blush. I love putting it on my eyelids, and that's it. Right in here, you want to go about maybe one finger in to put the blush right in that apple of the cheek, and then take the contour blush and just bring it up, that more muted color up here. Otherwise, you can also make it super, super easy and swirl both colors and bring it into the apple. So the point is to bring that color right in here as if you have a natural flush. So that's it for this video. The link down below to purchase this from me is right in the bio. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On Facebook, please join The Art of Beauty with me where I talk about this and more. My website is christyfunk.com, and thanks for stopping by.